Welcome to our channel. Today we how to clear YouTube watch history, simple steps step by step clearly. Open the YouTube app on your phone or go to youtube.com in a web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account you want to manage. On mobile, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. On desktop, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu that appears. On mobile, tap Manage All History under History and Privacy if you see it. If you do not see that option, open a browser and go to myactivity.google.com. Confirm you are still logged into the same Google account on the My Activity page. Look for the left side or top menu and choose Activity Controls. Find the YouTube History section on the Activity Controls screen. Click or tap Manage History to open your YouTube activity timeline. In the YouTube History page, locate the Delete button or the trash icon. Choose Delete Today if you only want to remove videos watched today. Choose Delete Custom Range if you want to remove a specific time period. Set the start date and end date carefully for the custom range. Confirm the deletion when the pop-up asks you to verify your choice. To delete everything, choose Delete All Time from the same Delete menu. Read the confirmation message so you understand it will remove your entire watch history. Tap or click Delete again to finalize deleting all-time history. Return to YouTube and open your Library tab to check recent history changes. If you want to stop future tracking, go back to Activity Controls. Toggle off YouTube History to pause saving watch history going forward. If prompted, select Pause to confirm you want to pause YouTube history. For extra privacy, also check if Include the videos you watch is enabled and turn it off if needed. If you use multiple devices, repeat the sign-in check so you do not clear the wrong account. If you share a device, consider using incognito mode on mobile or a separate browser profile on desktop. Refresh YouTube and verify recommendations start updating based on your new history settings. If you need to undo future tracking, you can return anytime and toggle YouTube history back on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.